This is the seam guide ruler and seam guide from the Fabric Hut. It's got a 2.5-inch ruler side and a 5.5-inch ruler side. It's got 16 holes that line up from 1/8 of an inch all the way to 2 inches. It's got a 45-degree line that helps make trimming up half square triangles easier. It also has this super convenient corner marking tool that will line up right on the corner of your fabric at 1/4 of an inch, and you mark it with a heat friction pin or a water soluble pin, and then you can remove it, but it makes it super easy to line it right up and pivot at the sewing machine. The back of the seam ruler guide has a strong magnet, and then it's got like a rubber grippy so it doesn't damage your machine. And then it also has this little handle right here that makes it easy to grab and lift because the magnet is super strong. In order to use this tool, you're going to take the ruler and you're going to line it up. And I want to make sure that my needle is at 1/4 of an inch. And so I'm going to line that hole up right with where the needle goes. And then I'm going to lower the needle slowly, carefully into that hole. And then I'm going to lower my presser foot. And then I'm going to take that seam guide and I'm going to put it down, and it's super strong. See, so that's when we need that handle back here. And then butt it up next to this ruler. Then we're going to raise our needle. And then we are going to raise the presser foot and remove that. And then we can sew with an exact 1/4 of an inch every single time. The reason this is good is because machines like mine that has an adjustable needle right here, you can move this needle back and forth. And so if you move it, it could definitely make sure that your 1/4 of an inch is not always 1/4 of an inch. In order to use it, you're going to make sure that that's on, and then you're going to butt your fabric right up next to it. And then it's as easy as just sewing.